This is the Zhiyun M2, and today we're gonna do an unboxing.
Am I recording the sound? Yes.
Good. Unboxing and testing. Zhiyun M2. Amazon warehouse deal, so it's like a 40 euro cheaper. Really tiny, very small box, very light. Ooh, beautiful. I have no idea how it works. Oh yes. Is there any battery left inside? If there's no battery inside, oh, okay, there is battery inside. Oh, Lord. Chill. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, dude. No, not like this. I'll turn it off. Front heavy now. We'll turn it off. Try it now. See if it works. Please work, please work, please work. Is the body working? Oh, I think it's working. I think it is working now. I think it is working. Okay, change the mode. Change the mode. I don't know what this is. A POV. So you should follow me. Interesting. What is this? PF. What is PF? What is L? Wow. This is a go mode. What does it mean? I need to look it up. Go mode. V mode. Ah, this is the vortex. Let's try. Yeah, make it fixed. Like it's like a chicken head. Like a chicken head. Oop. Oop. Nice. Alright, we're gonna do a vlog test.
Oh, this is an L is locked. It's locked on. Okay. Okay. So now it doesn't move. Oh my god.
I'm gonna try this. Oh, it's locked on me. I'm moving. Okay.
Try another POV. This is for vlogging. Test.
Just turn over. There you go. This is for vlogging. No, turn to me. Look at me. Don't look elsewhere. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Dang, you're difficult to tame. But that's pretty cool. Locked. Okay. Nice. Alright, so I can use the joystick to control the direction. I forgot that function. Alright, I'm gonna test selfie mode. How does it look? It's smooth butter. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, turn around. Very neat, very lightweight. Okay, cool. I think this does perfectly what I want. Alright, turn it up. Go, go. It's not going. It's a different mode. Turn up. There you go. That's what turn around. Down. Yes. Left. Left. It doesn't turn left. Okay. I can turn left manually with my hand, not with a button. Okay. Cool. Neat. Here, I can see myself in the mirror. Oh. We're done.